Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to tell your friends and loved ones about Willow's Creations YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm showing you all how I made this simple and easy birthday edible card. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, these are the ingredients that I used. They are wafer paper, edible roses and leaves that I made using fondant, edible pearls, edible marker, a pair of scissors and edible glue. So all these ingredients that I use in this video, I got them from Walmart and Amazon. I'm not sure if I can find the link for them, but you guys can always search on Amazon for these items if you guys want to make your own edible cards. First, I fold my wafer paper. While folding it, the side rip apart a bit, so I just use my scissors to cut the broken edges and then glue it back together to make it foldable and more thicker. This paper is really thin, so I have to be really delicate with it. This is just an idea of changing up things for a friend or loved one's special day. As I said before in a few of my previous videos, this idea is new to me and I'm still trying to figure out different ways of making more edible cards. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have any suggestions. I'm always open to hear you guys' thoughts. After that, I drew a flower using my equipment and edible markers, as you all can see. So guys, remember that super chat, super stickers, super thanks and membership is active on my channel. So if you guys want to become a part of my membership, you guys can click the join button down below. This is one way that you guys can support my channel so that I can get more supplies to make more videos. Then I use my pearls to cover the outline. Then I went in with my edible roses and leaves. I will post a link in the description box to show you guys how I made these leaves and roses for those of you who are interested. I also use some of these edible roses and leaves to make a birthday cake. I will place the link for the cake video in the description box down below as well, which I will be posting on Tuesday. I will place the link for the cake video in the description box down below as well. And this is what the cake looks like. It's a no-bake cake, so I think at least everyone can make it. But if you try hard enough, this is just a sneak peek to get you hungry until Tuesday. I'm just kidding guys, just look forward to the video. It will be premiering at Willow's Kitchen YouTube channel at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is the third edible card that I posted on my channel, so if you don't see those videos as yet, feel free to go ahead and watch those videos whenever you get the chance to. I know everyone is busy and sometimes you might miss some of my uploads. If you all want to see more videos with edible cards, leave a comment down below. I think I'm getting to like the idea of edible card because it opened more ways of being different and being unique. As I said, I will try to figure out the different style and techniques that I can use to make better edible cards. Right here I added some more pearls and this is what the card turned out to be. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and tell your friends and loved ones about Willow's Creation YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.